Hello, my dear aspirants. Welcome to my YouTube channel Crack Lakshay. In today's session, we are going to practice the most important questions which are highly expected to come in SSC exams, FCAT, or any other defense exams. So, without any delay, let's get started and crack it together. First question: who is known as the king of football? So, the answer is option C, that is Pele. Question number 2: which tennis player is known as the king of clay? So the answer is option B, that is Rafael Nadal. Question number 3: who has won the most Olympic gold medals in history? So the answer is option B, that is Michael Phelps. Question number 4: who is a legendary basketball player for the Chicago Bulls? So the answer is option D, that is Michael Jordan. Question number 5: which cricketer is called the Master Blaster? So the answer is option C, that is Sachin Tendulkar. Question number 6: who is the fastest man in the world for 100-meter sprint? So the answer is option B, that is Usain Bolt. Question number 7: who is a famous female tennis player from USA? So the answer is option C, that is Serena Williams. Question number 8: who is a professional boxer known as the greatest? So the answer is option B, that is Muhammad Ali. Question number 9: who is a famous professional golfer with multiple major titles? So the answer is option C, Tiger Woods. Question number 10: which footballer player plays for Portugal and has won multiple balloons D or awards? So the answer is option C, that is Cristiano Ronaldo. Question number 11: which athlete is known as the lightning bolt? So the answer is option C. Here, option C, Usain Bolt. Question number 12: who is the first Indian woman to win a silver medal at the Olympic? So the answer is option A, that is PV Sindhu. Question number 13: who is a famous MMA fighter from Ireland? Ireland. So the answer is option C, that is Conor McGregor. Question number 14: who is a legendary baseball player from USA? So the answer is option A, that is Babe Ruth. Question number 15: who is the Indian badminton player who won a world championship title? So the answer is option B, again RPV Sindhu. Question number 16: who is the captain of Argentina football team in FIFA World Cup 2022? So the answer is option C, that is Lionel Messi. Question number 17: who is considered the greatest swimmer of all time? So the answer is option B, Michael. Question number 18: who is a legendary Formula 1, that is F1 driver from Germany? So the answer is option C, that is Michael Schumacher. Question number 19: who is the famous Indian boxer who won medals in multiple Olympics? So the answer is option C, Mary Kom. Which tennis player holds the most Grand Slam titles in men's? So the answer is option C, that is Novak Djokovic. Question number 21: who is known as Captain Cool in Indian cricketer? So the answer is option D, MS Dhoni. Question number 22: Who is the legendary golf player from USA famous for winning the Masters? So the answer is option D, that is Tiger Woods. Who is a famous Indian female wrestler? So the answer is option C, that is Vinesh Fogart. Question number 24. Which footballer is often referred to as the Flair? So the answer is option C, again Lionel Messi. Question number 25. Who is a female tennis star known for winning 22 Grand Slam titles before Serena? So answer is option B, Steffi. Question number 26. Who won the Ballon d'Or in 2023? So the answer is option C, Lionel Messi. Question number 27. Who is a famous sprinter from USA in women's 400 meter? So answer is option C, Florence Griffith Joyner. Question number 28. Who is a female MMA star and former UFC champion? So the answer is option B, Amanda Nunes. So you all have to find the full form of MMA and also for UFA. This may come for exams. So next question 29. Which cricketer is called the Wall? So the answer is option A, Rahul Dravid. Question number 30. Who is a star footballer from France who shined in World Cup 2018 and 2022? So the answer is Kylian Mbappe. That is option C. Next question. Question number 31. Who is the most successful Formula 1 driver in terms of world championship? So the answer is option B, that is Lewis Hamilton. Question number 32. Who is the youngest Grand Slam winner in women's tennis? So the answer is option A, that is Martina. Question number 33. Which Indian shooter has won a gold medal at the Olympics? So the answer is option A, Abhinav Bindra. Question number 34. Which football player is known for the hand of God goal? So the answer is option A, that is Diego Maradona. Question number 35. Who is the famous swimmer from Australia known as the Torpedo? So the answer is option C, that is Ian Thorpe. Question number 36. Which Indian female cricketer is known for scoring over 6,000 runs in ODIs? So the answer is option option C, that is Mithali Raj. Question number 37. Who is a seven-time Super Bowl champion in American football, Roger? So answer is option B, Tom Brady. Question number 38. Who is known for the famous bicycle kick goal in football history? So the answer is option D, that is Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Next question, question number 39. Which athlete is a Paralympic gold medalist from India? So answer is option B, Mariappan. Question number 40. Who is known as the god of cricket? So answer is okay D. Sachin Tendulkar. Question number 41. Who is the first Indian woman gymnast to compete in Olympics? So the answer is option B, that is Deepa Karmakar. Question number 42. Who was the captain of France during the 2018 FIFA World Cup win? So the answer is option B, that is Hugo Lloris. Question number 43. Which tennis player is famous for his one handed backhand and calm nature? So the option C is the answer Roger. Which boxer was nicknamed as Iron Mike? So the answer is option B, that is Mike Tyson. Question number 45. Which athlete won a javelin gold for India in Tokyo 2020 Olympics? So the answer is option C, Neeraj Chopra. Question number 46. Who is the famous long distance runner from Ethiopia? So the answer is option A, that is Haile Gebrselassie. Question number 47. Who is the only tennis player to achieve a golden slam in a single year? So the answer is option D, Steffi Graf. Question number 48. Who is the youngest male cricketer to debut in international cricket? So the answer is option B, Hassan Raza. Question number 49. Which country has produced the most NBA players? So the answer is option C, USA. So comment in box about the full form of NBA and also USA. Let's see who can tell me the answers of these two. And the last question. Who was the most expensive player in IPL 2024 auction? So the answer is option B, Sam Curran. So let me know that expensive amount charged by him. Let me know everyone if you know. So hope you like my content. Keep studying and come out with stars. Jai Hind.